Hello everyone.
Hi, hello.
Oh. So we are going to the riverside today. We are walking on the road. I'll be taking you today to some areas which you have not seen. This is a Taklai. Oh, Mohoy, Ade Mohoy.
Taklai.
Yeah, Taklai. So my companion today, Uncle Somoren Narzari.
Nazari.
Yes. So my dear friends, just stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and I hope you will enjoy this video.
Oh. Yes? No.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning, yes. Good morning from Ade Somoren. My video, da ukha habogun barane. Now little rain is just drizzling, so we are going ahead. See this side. Oh, see the view. We are almost reaching. This side we'll see jute garden. Wait, let me show you from the nearby. Wait. Oh, jungle man, jungle. Ho. Hey. White. Oh, see. This is the jute tree, you see, which we call patte, no? Cannot plug or what? Okay, I'll plug only the leaf, and so here. With this, our Boro, we eat narzai. We make narzai from these leaves, jute leaves, no? Which is one of the favorites for the Boro people. Oh, again thundering, man. See. So we are still walking. See, all these roads are also flooded, man. See. Adi, para tabuk le gamsya. I hope you like the place, the view. See, here we get one small dongo. Tided da yade.
Oh.
Tided.
Oh, Tided.
Yes, this is called Tided Desha. Bang English ni mango. Pandinge Boro ni hingga. Oh, cabai deh. And here again, jute garden. Mane patte, very costly, man. This one. This is very costly. See, this is one of the common plantation in the village area, especially in our area, in Bitini area. Oh, ang ma bundu ide. Boro ni bungsindera. Ang English ni mana?
Patte jarang. Gajau kahai.
Okay. Video. Let's go. Aduh, mana hagra kejar le ni?
Ora, kamari bagan.
Jinsur sak sau deh.
Aje. Hobo Zaulia.
Hobo Zaulia.
Oh,
Hobo Zaulia. Uncle says that this jungle is Hobo Zaulia, man. This one. Hobo Zaulia. Ada ni. Chukundra thaina ada lore. Chukundra thaina ada ri hai chukundra.
Thaya sana.
Sana thaya. Beda. Here we reach the river called Taklai. Fishing that side. Who is fishing? Somebody is fishing that side. Oi. Ada, ni mun mai di situ dia deh. Sabai sigon je. Jahar bari se.
Oh,
Taklai. This is Taklai River. See, really water level is rising high, man. Almost getting flat. See, wow. See, mama gozau lai khade. Done di sini made. See. Pani water, yes.
No es.
No es. Yes. Hurry. Oh, Devana, yes, yes. Ore. It is getting flat, but I think still, I think no much erosion. Oh, one tree is gone that side. बिराद देरदों मथा-मथि दैया दासो देग्लाय मथा-मथि दिनैसो फार्स्ट बे दै एसेग्राब देरनाया बांद्राय देराखैमोन because there was no much rain this year, so there was no flood. Today we can see this level of flood. See, this much level of flood has taken place this year. See, one tree is gone this side, eroded, man. This tree is eroded. See, बे खुरखा जाबाय नै बैग्रि बिफां नै आहा see some people live here collecting boulders. That is their camp, and river is very nearby now. This may be eroded today. See, river is pushing this side and erosion is taking place from that corner. You see, manu ase na nai mansi dong na gaya bra. Oh, no one is there. I think everything is closed. Oh, they are very alert, so they have run away somewhere. They have shifted, I think. Even they are cultivating some vegetables, man, here. Wow, you see one pumpkin also. There is pumpkin. Oh, bagahayo ma bilai mula or what it is. Okay, see. They are living here and managing their business. Even one banana tree is planted. Muris. Okay. Maya. Muris. You see some chili plants also. And plants also, man. Guava tree. This is guava tree. Yeah, this is guava tree. This is chili plant. Here, guava tree. They are bearing fruits already. See what? Hybrid or what? Or local? I don't know. No one is there to ask. Guava tree also we can find here. That means they are managing all their eatable things around themselves. Around where they are living, man. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, come. Hey, and what is this? Hey, what is there? Madong. Oh, hangsu dengra. Oh, this was their place for keeping what? Some ducks and hens, chicken. Oh, jagra adar bo dongmon nei. Okay. And what is this bottle? Oh no, man. This is what I don't know. Drinking water facility also they have made for themselves. See. Oh, sena sai dangkhola jay na jaya. Ade. Wow. Maybe we have to pour water, man. Hey, we have to pour water. Wait, let me pour water. Ande luniro. Nana. Oh, coming. Oh. Coming. There. So let me wash my legs here. Oh, what is this, man? You see? Somebody threw rice, man, here. See? See? Yes. Ang nano when I say go let the fish eat, man. This one I'll throw that side. Hey. See. Hey. Somebody threw. They are not neat and clean, man. They are not maintaining any hygiene. They are thinking that they are in jungle. That is why not maintaining hygiene. See? Hey. Seriously, Adina. See, little erosion is taking place. You see, slightly erosion is still taking place. Oh, thundering, man, still thundering. See, erosion is still taking place. You can see. Water level is still going on rising. Come, come. What is taking place? See, like that. If water level will rise higher again, then erosion will again take place, man. See. Bah. Neither rise for neither. Oh, duku nangtau dahanggasen dong. See, very wide. You see, this side is the village. Some houses are just nearby. If erosion will take place, really be very terrible. Birat guar दैयाबो किन्तु नै दैयाबो बिराद गुवारलै नायसाय हट दैयाथ' बिराद गेन्दाखा नै water is not clean एखे खुरखा फैनायनि ना eroding and coming so water you see very dirty water supply water see हट मा होनो आदै नोंलाय मा होनो
बियो देग्लाय दैबाना देनाय जादों जादों नायसाय see you can see current outside. That means this area little current is there. That means erosion will take place here very soon. I think erosion will really take place here. See the current. Oh, I think some people are fishing that side. Let me go and see whether they are getting or not. Sase, sanai, satam. These three people are fishing. Nei be madia na gurgiri ओरैबायदि गुरनो एक्सपार्ट खा दे गैया नायखे मोनबाय दा एसे बोरो माथो माबायावनो 2 मिनिटावनो बेसेबां मोनबाय दा बाब थफिया नायनि मा थफिया
And once again see the view.
In this Thaklai, we find such kind of big rock also, man. Oi, there gaka photo lana. Jerai. So we'll take some photo shoot with Ade here. Ade ni photo shoot. Some boulder collection also is done this side. And anybody is in need of boulders like this for building house or roads or bridges or protection, you can contact me. Wow, JCB, not JCB. One tractor is there. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, maybe these people have shifted here because of the erosion, because of the river is very nearby, you know. And I met one भैया जी here. हाँ भैया जी कैसा है? ठीक है। अच्छा ये कौन रह रहा है यहाँ पे?
मैं तो अभी
अकेला है ना? आप लोग उधर में था क्या? वो जो सामने में वो जो कैम्प है वहाँ पे था क्या आप लोग?
वो था उधर लेकिन पानी भर गया इसके लिए इधर मैं लोग शिफ्ट करके रखे हैं।
अभी काम धंधा बंद है क्या?
काम धंधा बहुत दिन से बंद है।
क्यों भैया?
वो पानी है नदी में ज़्यादा है।
अच्छा उसके लिए।
वो डंपर भी नहीं चल रहा है।
हाँ। अच्छा आपका गाड़ी कौन सा है?
मेरा तो ये जेसीबी है।
आप क्या जेसीबी चलाता है?
जी मैं जेसीबी चलाता हूँ।
अच्छा ठीक है। ये है ना आपका?
हाँ यही है।
ये बड़ा वाला?
जी।
अच्छा ठीक है। खाना खा लिया भैया?
हाँ मैं तो खाना खा लिया।
ठीक है भैया, अच्छा से रहो भैया। So they have to shift in this place. It is far away from the river. They have to shift here, and all the works of collecting boulders is mining work stopped because of rain and flood and erosion and all those things. See, they have to shift here. What is there, man? Oh, some drums. I've seen some children also coming this side. Hey, nung they go to thang de. They go to thang de, Kriston. Moi thang ai. Thang huh? Oh, Sonia, look this side. Sonia is hiding. Oh, Sonia is hiding this side. Mother na san nai dang. Oh, this is one equipment for trapping fish. Ma num lai mau khâu? Hả? Thế mai burung.
माने ना सानायसै बेवहाय oh this kind of themai is very rarely seen these days making the place ready to put this one there to trap fish hona he dana he nasrai fitriki elenga bon mawnai sida
बुनो
hona he
बुनो मावगोन
मावगोन ओइ मानसिफोर खावना लांफैनायलै नांगोन दा औ बे मावैया थेमायजों रेडि होमब्ला औ रेडिसै दा दे होना हो नै थोदो ओइ आदै लेट्स गो ओइ आदै लेट्स गो yes now going back home still raining man rain has not stopped I don't know rain will not stop I think today so we will go back to our house and here I am concluding this video and see you in next video guys stay tuned I will be updating very soon again with another video see you in next video bye bye love you all